how Latvian sounds to a non-Latvian speaker. Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen. Flimtik strampa klomkur blantak slampe flinker tromka plimtik slamkor bronta klimpef trampor flotni grompik blikstik struntik plamkor trompik slamkar brimstik flonki glinter plonkik strinkor bramtik klontik flaptik stromkar glimtik bronkik. Flimpor stramtik klomkor plimtik slampik brontik tromkor flinker stramkik brontik plontik krimsto slomkar brankik tromstik flonkik strimpar klimpik brompor klonstik slamptor brintik klimstik slomtik flomtik strumpar klonmik blonstik trompik stramku. Yes, I know it sounds nothing like the actual language. My channel is called Language Gibberish after all. I'm sure those who completely missed the point will flood the comments with "this is nonsense and your pronunciation is all wrong." All because they didn't get the joke. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.